Saturday 15th of June 2019, we went to the BBC Good Food Show at Birmingham NEC. We had an amazing time at BBC's Good Food Show. We saw lots of inspirational things that had now inspired us to create some amazing meals for our Caring Cooks project, and we can't wait to share them with you.
We tried lots of different samples like Chinese noodles, apples, cheese, flapjacks, breakfast bars, crisps, chocolates, sauces, Indian spices,
and of course ice cream. We had watched lots of different demonstrations on how to use certain equipment like a smoothie maker. With this equipment you can make many types of delicious drinks.
The next thing which happened was we saw famous chef Ainsley Harriott, who was very friendly. We saw famous Bake Off winner Nadia, who was on show and she showed us a recipe from her recent cookbook live on stage.
When we left the Good Food Show, we waited in the queue for special goodie bags.
The best part was the yummy chocolate.